Welcome to Module 8.5, YouTube Upload Guide. This session walks you through the final step of your presentation process, uploading your completed video to YouTube. A smooth upload experience ensures your hard work is seen, shared, and preserved professionally. We'll review recommended video export settings, walk through the upload process, and provide tips for optimizing your video title and description to boost clarity, accessibility, and discoverability. Before uploading, double-check your video export settings. Aim for 1080p resolution for clear, high-quality visuals. Export your video in MP4 format, which is universally supported and efficient for web use. If your file is very large, consider compressing it to reduce upload time without compromising quality. Tools like HandBrake can help. Make sure your video is in the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the YouTube standard. Keeping file size under 2 GB ensures faster processing and smoother playback, especially for those with slower internet connections. To upload your video, first sign in to a YouTube account. Create one if needed. Click the Create button and select Upload Video. Follow the step-by-step prompts to add your video file and enter your title, description, and settings. Processing may take a few minutes, especially for longer videos. You can choose to set your video as public, unlisted, or private. Most course submissions use unlisted, allowing anyone with the link to view it without it being publicly searchable. Once uploaded, YouTube will generate a shareable link that you can use to share with others in your professional portfolio. To make your video more effective and discoverable, take time to craft a strong title. It should reflect your research topic and capture interest. Write a clear, comprehensive description that includes a short summary of your project, key takeaways, and any relevant context. Include keywords that help users find your video if searchability is a goal. For longer videos, add timestamps to help viewers navigate your content by section. If appropriate, include contact information or a call to action so viewers know how to connect or learn more.